Carefully open the top of the box along with the middle seam with a knife. Remove the top and side packing plus any accessories before removing the TV from the box. If the screen is above 32 inches, you may need some help removing the TV from the box due to the weight. Never pull from the center or front of the screen, as this could damage the screen, which would not be covered under the warranty. Lift out the TV holding the bezel sides and the back housing, taking care to ensure the screen comes out straight. Place the TV screen flat on the top of a clean, flat table, keeping the plug secured safely to the back of the TV. We recommend that you place a clean sheet on the tabletop to help provide additional protection for the screen and bezel. Move the unit so the edge of the TV slightly overhangs the table. Fit the neck onto the base and using the 4 stand base screws, screw the neck to the base with a Phillips screwdriver. Slide the stand under the lip. The neck will fit snugly over the screw holes. Then screw the stand to the TV using the 4 half-threaded screws again with a Phillips screwdriver. Once the stand is fitted, place the TV onto your TV cabinet and remove the protective bag. If you're going to watch terrestrial TV, then connect your digital aerial lead to the TV socket. Also, if you're going to be using a wired internet connection, then using an Ethernet cable, connect the TV to your router socket. The TV will power onto the first-time installation screen. Move the cursor to the language you'd like to use and press the OK button. Select the required country and press the OK button. This would normally be the country you are based in. As the TV is used for domestic use in your home, select Home Mode using the OK button. If the TV is a smart model, press OK button to select all terms and press the OK button to accept the terms of use and then the OK button to move to the next step. Note, if you don't accept some or all of the terms of conditions or terms of use, then some functions of the TV will not perform to specification. If you are connecting a smart TV to the internet with an Ethernet connection, this can be accepted. Move the cursor to Next and press the OK button. If you are planning to connect via a wireless router, then select using the right arrow and enter your wireless password. If entered incorrectly, you will see a failed message. Remember, your password will be case sensitive, so don't forget those capital letters and punctuation. Read the Freeview Play terms and conditions. Keep the cursor on Yes and press the OK button. Set the digital aerial and move the cursor to Next and press the OK button. Channel scan will begin with completed percentage given at the top of the screen. This may take a few minutes. Adjust the region settings dependent on your location. Move the cursor to save and press the OK button. Once the scan is complete, the channel list will appear. Press the Exit button to clear the list. Ensure the plug is secured safely to the back of the TV. Lay the protective bag on a tabletop to protect your TV. If the stand is fitted, this will need to be removed. Lay the TV on a table so the edge slightly overhangs the edge and unscrew the 4 half-threaded screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Slide the stand out from under the lip. You can refit the 4 half-threaded screws back so they are not lost. The TV is designed to be wall-mounted with a VESA mounting kit, sold separately, and you need to ensure you mount this TV according to the instructions included in the mounting kit. Note that the screws in the back panel of your TV are not for use for wall mounting. These are vibration reduction screws. An example is shown below of the TV mounting. This may vary depending on your size of TV. Do not connect the power to the TV until all the connections are made and the TV is wall mounted. 2 people are required when wall mounting a TV. Ensure you hold the TV on the bezel sides so you don't damage the screen.